The interesting thing in this case is that there weren't more people present. Residents have been crying out against the high cost of the LEAC, yet there weren't more than 30 people in the courtroom, and half of those were the defense and prosecution teams and the judge and his staff. Thursday's hearing ended the same way the last several have, with Superior Court Judge Harold Wilcox giving yet more time. Senator Alicia Hansen and her legal team will get 5 more days to submit additional information to prove their case, and the Water and Power Authority and the Public Services Commission will get 5 days after that to respond. The session was pretty straightforward, with each side allowed to present their case about 3 issues. 1. What the utility should base those rates on. 2. That WAPA needed to hold a hearing for public input before creating the LEAC as stated by legislative mandate. And 3. That the PSC didn't have enough financial information related to the interest payments on WAPA's $40 million loan before granting or denying LEAC increases. Hansen's attorney George Hodge Jr. may have slipped up on that last issue when he forgot to have the court consider WAPA's loan principal too, instead of simply the interest, because Wilcox wouldn't allow any testimony outside that. The judge did have one question for Hansen's attorney and the PSC's legal counsel Boyd Sprain. Is there any law or written policy that determines what factors the PSC must consider when changing the LEAC? Attorney Hodge seemed to go around in circles without quite giving an answer. Sprain said the short answer is no, but both he and WAPA's attorney Sam Hall indicated there are minimum filing requirements and documented certified reports that detail each change. And then there's the fact that the PSC established the LEAC, not WAPA, so Judge Wilcox will be left to decide whether the LEAC stays or goes. Erica Parsons, News 2.